हमारे एग्जीक्यूटिव प्रोड्यूसर मानतेश, एंड लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट हमारे प्रोड्यूसर तनसीर साहब, प्लीज सर स्टेज पर आइए। हम सब ने कभी ना कभी इंटर कॉलेजिएट फेस्टिवल में हिस्सा लिया है और हमने भी आपकी तरह ही स्टेज पर इसी तरह से परफॉर्म किया जैसे आप सब कर रहे हैं। आपके लिए बस 2 पंक्तियां कहना चाहता हूं, प्लीज गौर फरमाइए। आप सबकी छलांग इतनी ऊंची है कि आपके लिए आसमान भी कम पड़ जाएगा। आप सबकी छलांग इतनी ऊंची है कि आपके लिए आसमान भी कम पड़ जाएगा। आप सबका इरादा इतना बुलंद है कि आपके सामने मुकद्दर भी झुक जाएगा। Sir, thank you very much for inviting us. Thank you very much. Love you all and all the best for all the participants. Dancers, please ध्यान में रखिए, जब आप छलांग लगाते हैं तो जरा देख लीजिए कि छत आपकी ऊंचाई समा सकता है या नहीं, क्योंकि ये छत थोड़ा सा छोटा था। प्लीज टेक केयर ऑफ योर लाइफ एंड गुड परफॉर्मेंस, अ वेरी गुड परफॉर्मेंस। थैंक यू वेरी मच। And please watch our film Pratichaya. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. But sir, please, you have to stay on stage. Ma'am, Natalie ma'am, please, you all have to stay on stage because right now we will announce the winners of all the performances which you just saw, which includes the folk dance, the group dance and the fashion show. But before that, we also have to acknowledge Mr. Balvinder Singh Suri, who was here but had to leave early. And Mr. Balvinder Singh Suri has been working in the industry since 1994 and as an actor, writer and creative director. He has been associated with Sub TV from past 4 years as a creative producer and writer on Sri Adi Manav, as actor in Mr. and Mrs. Sharma, Allahabad Wale, as creative director on Saiya Re Jhoot Mat Bolo, and as creative head on RK Lakshman Ki Dunya. Mr. Balvinder Singh Suri was here with us but had to leave early because of an urgency. Also, we have to acknowledge Shruti Shah ma'am, who is here with us. I would like to welcome her as she is the chairperson of WIRC ICAI, which is the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, and we thank her for gracing the occasion. Now, calling, yes, Shruti Shah ma'am. And now announcing all the winners. Yes, also, not to forget, last but not the least, our very, very honorable judges for our show, the judges who have judged our show and who are responsible for declaring the winners, Mr. Tayyab Mokadam. And sir, can we please have you on stage? Suvera Ambade ma'am, and Sir Switesh Ambade sir, and also, yes sir, please. Hold on guys, just a moment and the results will be. Riddhi ma'am, please Riddhi ma'am, can we have you on stage? So all our celebrity guests and honorable judges are now on stage to announce our winners. Can we please have the score sheet, please? Judo. And fashion show? Okay, so guys, the results are out. Do you all want to know who the winners are? Winners of folk dance, winners of group dance, winner of judo, winner of the fashion show, and the overall winners for the best college, best CL, and best ACL. So, announcing the winners of our folk dance, the third prize goes to the third prize goes to FD3. Can we please have FD3 on stage, please? The third prize for the folk dance goes to FD3. Do we have FD3 with us right now over here? FD3, come to the stage, please.
We would request Mr. Mukesh Jadhav to please give away the prize.
Prize for the third place in folk dance. The winners, FD3. Do we have anyone to collect on behalf of them while they are not present?
FD3, if you're around, please come on the stage. Or anyone on their behalf who could collect the prize.
Anyway, moving on. Moving on. Let's give the prize for the second place in the folk dance.
Can we have Riddhi ma'am, please, to give away the next prize? Thank you.
The winner for folk dance, second place, goes to FD2. FD2, judged by Riddhi ma'am herself. FD2, folk dance. Do we have you with us right now? Kindly come on stage.
FD2.
Here
Let
we
us
have
hear a big round of applause for them.
for FD2, second place in folk dance.
Thank you so much, Riddhi ma'am. Can we have Miss Suha Gazen ahead to give away the next prize, please?
Okay, so the first prize in the folk dance category goes to FD1. Can we please have you on stage?
Give a big round of applause for the next piece
FD1.
coming up on stage, everyone.
Congratulations.
This is the closest you've come to coming undone, and you crave more and more, and everything's alright. You say time is on your side. Yeah, everything's alright. You say time is on your side. 'Cause time is on your side.
And they have won a check of rupees 7,500 as the first place in the folk dance category. Can we, so ab tak to ye raaz raha hai, but can we know the name of your college? So Sathe College has won the first prize in folk dance category.
Can we request Mr. Monty Sharma to please come ahead and give the next prize?
So, hello sir. So, the winners in the group dance category, the third place goes to GD3. Can we please have you with us on stage right now to collect your prize? GD3 on stage.
Come on, make some noise, everyone. They are the winners of the competition.
GD3 winning the third prize in group dance category. अच्छा, now that you guys have won, यार सिर्फ खुशी से कौन वो flip करके दिखा सकता है? Who does the flip in y'all? For the third prize, who does the flip? Can we do that? Can you please do that flip once again? And that's the victory dance. Okay, so the second prize in the group category goes to GD2.
Whoa. Ma'am, can we have you ahead, please, for the prize giving?
So, ma'am, can we please? GD2 winning the second prize in the group dance category.
Forgetting everything, escaping from my mind. We come undone. Hide with
Okay, so now you have to bust a move
Excuse me, boys.
as
Please
a victory
wait.
dance. As a
Boys,
victory
boys
dance.
and girls.
Who's gonna bust the move?
Boys and girls,
Come on,
you
GD2.
still have something to take.
One step. One step from GD2 as a victory dance. Who's gonna do it? अच्छा यार पैसा नहीं चाहिए क्या? पैसा मैं ले जाता हूँ घर पे. So GD2 has won a check of 5,000 rupees. A check of 5,000 rupees as winners. And now who's gonna do that one dance step, the victory dance? Who's gonna do it? No one? Come on, guys. Okay, never
So
mind.
can we have your head, please? Please, please.
So now, to give the first prize in group dance, so we are honored to have you here. And the first prize in group dance goes to GD. Any guesses? GD5.
Woo!
GD5 wins the first prize in the group dance category. Where's your group? Acha, so we have their representative with us. Can we have you all on stage?
If I were to fall through a hole in
The first prize winners in the group dance category. Kindly collect your prize and your check.
let go of my mind. Would you follow me?
Truly well deserved GD5.
Follow me. Would you follow me into wonderland?
Congratulations. One move on the stage. Come on.
Feel you tonight. Don't need to see so close my eyes.
Which college are you all from?
Sir, can we have your head, please?
Patkar!
Thank you.
Patkar College has won the first prize in the group dance competition. Now, coming up next is the winner, boys category in judo. So the winner of judo in boys category is Sahil Mendon. Do we have Sahil Mendon with us right now? Sahil Mendon has won the first prize in judo category. Sahil Mendon, do we have Sahil Mendon here with us right now? Sahil Mendon.
Sahil Mendon, are you around, Sahil?
He has won the first prize, boys in judo category. Okay, moving on. In girls category, we have a girl judo champ and her name is Pooja Jaiswar. Do we have Pooja Jaiswar in the crowd? The winner in judo category girls, Pooja Jaiswar.
Pooja Jaiswal, you're the winner for the judo category girls. If you're around, please come on the stage quickly. We have Pooja on the stage. Everyone, put your hands together for the girl winner in judo.
Yeah, we'll announce right now. So the girls who have won in the judo category, can you please tell us which college are you from?
Thakur College.
So Thakur College girls have won in judo category. Give it up for the winners in judo.
Can we hear it for the girls, everyone? Woo!
Guys, you gotta watch out these girls. They can kick your ass. Okay, coming up next
Sir, can we have your head, please?
is the winners in the overall category. The winner for the best ACL goes to Nagindas Khandwala. Nagindas Khandwala has won the best ACL prize. Do we have Nagindas in the crowd? Also, for this overall category, we would like to call upon stage all our heads from the Universal Group. Can we please have all the heads from Universal Group on stage, please?
We would request all the heads of Universal Group to please come on the stage.
All the heads of the Universal Group to please join us on stage. While we announce the overall winners, the best ACL has gone to Nagindas Khanwala. Is he present here?
Ma'am, can we please have your head?
Okay, so since he's not present, moving on. The best CL. The best CL prize has gone to Dalmia College. Can we have a representative from Dalmia College on the stage? Yeah, even he's coming. Okay, and to
Thank
give
you
the
so much.
prize for overall best college,
Sir,
the
can we have you?
overall best college of this fest goes to Tolani College. Can we have a huge round of applause for the winners? For the best college.
That's your certificate, guys. Woo!
Today's honorable talent showcase had its attention grabbed by the efforts of Akshay Gupta, also known as AJ, an upcoming DJ producer from Ujjain, Madhya Pradesh. He enjoys
Okay, so
producing
I know
various genres of music,
everyone
like
is very
progressive,
excited for the DJ, but before that, we'll do what we do before every film, because that is the way we pay tribute to the national anthem, our country. So we'll have the national.
I recommend you to have a listen
Yes.
to his tracks Wink and Rebound on Dev.
अच्छा, suspense खुल रहा है. तो turns out that किसी ने सोचा नहीं कि fashion show के winners अब तक announce नहीं हुए हैं. So the fashion show prize, the
Ma'am,
third place in the fashion show goes to FS2. Can we please have you all on stage, please? Yeah, so which college are you all from? Nagindas Khanwala College has got the third prize in fashion show. Thank you guys, you've been great. Moving on. The second prize in the fashion show. The second prize in the fashion show, can we please have an honorary guest to please grace the
So-
occasion?
Sir, can we have your head, please?
To give the prize, the second prize for the fashion show, the second prize goes to FS3. अगर ये एक्साइटमेंट
Congratulations,
था
boys.
अगर ये एक्साइटमेंट था सेकंड प्राइज जीतने का तो फर्स्ट प्राइज विनर्स काइंडली होल्ड ऑन कैन वी प्लीज हैव एन ऑनररी गेस्ट
Mukesh sir, please.
Okay, so the first prize in the fashion show, the
Please
final
join.
winner announcement goes to FS5!
Make some noise, FS5. Come on.
The winners of the fashion show FS5. Okay, so you can now tell us which college are you from? Which college?
Dalmia. Atila patila dum patila. Atila patila dum patila.
Okay, so Dalmia College, congratulations. So Dalmia College has won the first prize in fashion show. And now, Monty sir would like to tell us something.
Good evening, good evening. Could I have silence for a moment, please?
Can we please
I'd
have
like
silence?
to sing a few lines for you.
Monty sir is going
Some
to
old
sing for us.
memories. कुछ पुरानी यादगार memories हैं, and I'd like to sing them for you. Oh, please quiet, please quiet.
Silence, please. Silence.
जब से तेरे नैना, जब से तेरे नैना मेरे नैनों से लागे रे. हमारे नैना तो पहले मिल चुके हैं, बट अब वक्त है दिल मिलने का. And I'd like you all to join me, and I'd like to invite Suha, who sung a beautiful song for us in the film.
Hi everyone. At first, I would like to tell this song is from our movie Pratichaya, and I'm gonna sing the Turkish lines. So I hope you're gonna enjoy it.
Okay, would you all please join us? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Lie, 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 lie. Please go on.
Yakışıklım, kara gözlüm, tıpış tıpış gel yanıma hayatım. Yakışıklım, kara gözlüm, tıpış tıpış gel yanıma hayatım. Aşk ateşinde cayır cayır yanıyorum ben, yanıyorum ben. Bakma oradan koş kurtar, yanıyorum ben, yanıyorum ben. Lay 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 lay.
Come on, join us, please.
Lay 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 lay.
Lie, 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 lie.
Thank you so much. And please watch the movie.
You all are surely going to enjoy this film. Watch it in the theater and